We are meeting ladies from all over the world. Project. Everybody is welcome to play this instrument for free. Hola portuenses. I need some exercise, so let's have some time trial. This is really good exercise. Let's see the time. Traditional walk. Oh, check this out, so steepy down the hill. Amazing. Beautiful Thursday morning in Puerto, Cruz, Tenerife, people. And we have the first guitar bicycle in the world here. Absolutely unique, world unique street art project. Everybody is welcome to play this instrument for free in Puerto, Cruz, Tenerife. And let's ride this instrument. Sculpture on wheels. A little bit. Jimi Hendrix's side. And Jimmy Page's side. Special feeling to ride guitar bike. Is it opened? Not yet. Just amazing morning. Viva Puerto, viva Tenerife, viva Canarias. Let's say hello to our friend Mr. Poseidon. Poseidon, vamos! Expecting like 29, maybe 30 degrees today. Felicidades novia. We are meeting ladies from all over the world. And one of them, of course, the bride. All the best. Lovely to meet you, ladies.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. ¿Qué tal?
Hola, mi amor. Bienvenida a Tenerife.
Hola, portuenses.
Hola.
Muy bien. Ok.
Qué guapa, ¿cómo se
Se llama El Niño.
Hola. Ay, qué
Niño. Come, baby, come. Good boy. Amazing day. Just love it here, people. You can sit like this guy and meditate for hours. I need some exercise, so let's have some time trial. How many minutes we need by bike from this point up to Mirador La Paz. Let's go. Encantado, chicos. Hasta luego. Can be a little bit difficult because there's a long hill. Let's go to Calle Valois and then up. So this is the first hill. Let's go to the sidewalk because they can be angry because I'm very slow. Second hill. This is the third hill. Calle Cologan. Up there is Park Tauro. On the top, Grand Hotel Tauro in reconstruction. And now very long hill, Carretera Botánico, and then Avenida Marqués de la Nueva del Prado, and we are there. I love this Drago, so special. It's not at all as they normally are, but with lots of memories. People write names. People are people, what can we do? Historical building called El Risco. And the bus station called El Risco. This is really good exercise. I don't have to run to destroy my knees. And there we are. Hallelujah. That was fast. Plaza del Mirador, La Paz. Let's see the time. And the time 31, so how many? It was like 13 minutes. Oh, I expected more than 20. So it's so cool. Wow. Hola a todos.
Hola.
Traditional walk. Lovely. Rotated, covered by clouds, magically.
Hola, majo. Pero, mira, esa que viene fuera te va a llegar mejor por ella.